Assalamu alaikum viewers, how are you? This is Hamad Hassan and you are watching Grewal and Sons YouTube channel. Today topic is related to our website, website development, and today we make a post, make a page for contact us page. We will make contact us page. So we will go to our website dashboard, and you can see here. So we will go to pages, in the section of pages. Okay, so here you have to add a new page like this. You will click on the add new button. Now you have to write a title for this page. We can write contact us, okay. So you have to publish it, and then update, okay, then update. Now you will see that there is no page right here at this point on our original website. So first we have to get that page. We will go to appearance in the menus form. Okay, so here is the page for contact us. Add to menu. So remove the first one, and now there is a contact page, contact us page. Okay, so save menu. Now you will see the contact us page on your site. So here you can see there is a contact us page. So but to get a message from the customers, from the clients, you have to make a page. You have to install a plugins. We will go into plugins, and we will click on the add new button, and in search bar we will search contact form. Okay, you will see a lot of contact forms here. So we will use this WP forms. Okay, and we will click on the install now. It will be installed. It is taking some time. So it is installed now, and we will activate. Okay, there is an activate button. We will activate it. So here you can see the contact WP forms. Okay, so there is two options. Read the full guide. Okay, you can read the full guide how to create, and now there is another option, create your first form. We will click on this button. Okay, here are a lot of options available here. Okay, blank form, simple contact form, newsletter sign up form, suggestions forms. Okay, so we are creating a simple blank form, so we click on create a blank form. Okay, so there are standards fields. There are some three options are available here. Okay, first one is standard fields, fancy field, second one, and the payment fields. So we just need a standard fields because the other fields are paid. Okay, So this is the free plugin, so just we can use just standard fields. Okay, so here are almost 10 options. Just click on the name section. You will see a name on this side, on right side. So there is a static, there is an option for this. This is a compulsory. Okay, so when a person is will contact with us, there is a name, first name, last name. So okay, and the second one must be email address, single test email or email. This is the email, and we will click, there is the option and email. So the person who will contact us, his or her first name, last name, and then his email, and then single text line we will add. Single text line, it will be a subject. Okay, we can edit it from here, subject. Okay, so we will check this required button. Okay, so you can see here the red star is here, so this will be a required button. Till the person will not put something in this bar, the contact form will not be completed. Okay, so the first one, name, email address, and then subject. So there must be a paragraph option. Okay, and here we can see, we can write, we can change its name from subject to message. Okay, so we will check this required option. Okay, so here is the message. So captcha option, we can select this captcha. The settings have been configured yet. Okay, so there is no option for captcha. Submit button, there is also a submit button, so we just have to save it. Okay, now we have to embed this form into, so select a page, we will select this page. Okay, let's go. So we will update this. So we will check. We will refresh our page and we will see there is a problem with these fields. So let's do it again. Let's do it again. So here is a short code. We will copy this short code. We will copy this short code. So we will go to pages section, and then click on the edit button of contact us page. Now here we will Control V. So here we will do the update. Okay, so now we will refresh our page. So here you can see the submission page. Okay, understand? So any person who wants to contact with us, he fill the name, email, subject and message, and then he will submit the button. So now the question is, where this information we will receive, on which email we will receive the this information, where we will find. So we will go to WP form. Here it is. Okay, it is the form. Okay, so settings, we will go to settings. Okay, no, there is not in so we will select the things in the new video. Hope this video it is informative for you. So just take these steps and do the things, and you will find the contact us page on your website. So like and share this video, and subscribe our channel. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz. Thank you very much.